Here is a clear manifestation example applying my 7-step process for achieving success in business.
Manifestation example: building a wildly successful business. Step 1: choose what you really want. I want to build a thriving business that generates consistent high income, impacts thousands of lives, and gives me the freedom to live life on my terms. Step 2: set the parameters. My business generates over $1 million per year. I work with aligned clients, my team is happy and motivated, and we all grow together. I have full creative control and freedom. My business positively impacts others and uplifts the people I care about. Everyone around me is healthy, happy, and thriving. Step 3: make the decision. I have decided that this business success is non-negotiable. It's happening. There is no doubt. I am already on the path, and it's unfolding now. This is no longer a dream. It's a firm, locked-in decision. Step 4: set a deadline. By insert realistic and intuitive date here, e.g., December 31st, 2025, my business will have hit $1 million in revenue. This timeline feels right to me, and I trust it fully. Step 5: trust and surrender. I let go of the how. I trust the universe to guide the process. I show up, take action, and allow opportunities to flow. I surrender my fears and need for control. I walk in faith and let the outcome unfold in its perfect form. Step 6: reaffirm with confidence, not desperation. I think about this vision daily, not with stress, but with certainty. I picture it clearly. I feel gratitude in advance. I say things like, my business is booming. Money flows in constantly. Clients love working with me. Success is inevitable. Step 7: stand strong through the tests. When obstacles appear, when clients cancel, when income dips, when doubt creeps in, I do not accept defeat. I say, this is a test. I already decided. My success is locked in. I do not accept anything less. I remain persistent. I speak with conviction. I command my reality. I am the CEO of a powerful, abundant business. I am wealthy, successful, and fulfilled. It is done. This approach blends emotion, belief, clarity, and action. You can repeat it daily, write it down, speak it aloud, or meditate on it. Whatever keeps you aligned with the decision and vision.
Comment, like, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this.